Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your MacBook Air home screen. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to add widgets to their MacBook Air home screen. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that you want to make sure that you're up to date with the latest version of your MacBook Air. Now this version will probably only be available for M1 or higher MacBook Air series. So if your MacBook Air is a bit older, probably older than 2020, then you might not be able to add widgets to your home screen. But in order to check, you're just going to click on System Settings, and then from here you're going to click on Software Update Available, and then you're going to check for the latest version, okay? And then once you're up to date with the latest version, you're just going to go ahead and right-click your background, and then click on Edit Widgets. And then here you basically have your widget store where you can drag and drop different widgets to your home screen. So here we can add a widget and then we can delete a widget. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a widget to your MacBook Air home screen. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.